I've come up with a memorandum circular similar to that of what we issued during the time of the SARS virus period, empowering our provincial governor, mayors, and barangay captains, first as a crisis manager, as information manager, and in the prevention to make sure that the proper isolation be implemented if there are constituents that are coming from areas that are contaminated or affected.
So mas reactive, sir, not proactive?
Yes, mas reactive. Today's Thursday, the Secretary of Health is having conference with these regional directors, and we will actually include what the product of the conference into our MC. The point is we should make sure that the local chief executives will spearhead this proactive prevention of contamination of coronavirus.